But what we need to do when you say leadership, can we say we have bad leaders or we have good leaders? I think, can we say we have bad? It can be anywhere. This is Nigeria. You know what is going on in Nigeria? I'm just saying this open. It's either the way the leadership is moving, you can now say, oh, this is a very good leadership. Or you say what? This is a very bad. You understand what I'm talking about? You lead to the extent that you travel to, listen to me please, you travel to another country, they have to issue one degree to withdraw your private jet. That's an example of a very good leader. You understand what I'm talking about? You understand? You drove your car to a place, and when you are about to leave, they say, "Oh, God, stop! You can't go with that car." Is that not an insult? And that's another example of a what? Good leadership. So I just want to talk on leadership types and qualities of leadership. It's a definition of leadership. We have simple definition. Who is the leader? A leader is a person that can influence, motivate others to get things done accurately and effectively. If we begin to say what? Balance. Okay, restoring equilibrium. Yes, it said. So this is a chart that I even talked about some qualities of leadership: integrity, vision, positive attitude. Now, sense of solid communicator, and inspirer. Now, solid communicator, like I said, your communication pattern should not be ambiguous. Should be clear and simple. Come and sit down. Not that you look for a very big grammar that the person you are communicating with will not even understand you. Yes, you can. Some of us will go to some gathering, can even be a church, and once your pastor will be talking, you need a dictionary to understand what he's talking about. That is not communication. It's a quoting. That is not communication. Yes, because what you just said, the person cannot understand it. Then what do you expect from that person? If the purpose of a product is not known, abuse is inevitable. Somebody just pronounce the grammar to you now, and you are looking. You don't know the meaning now. Maybe the meaning is sit down, yeah. Lastly, you have what? Inspiring. You see, you should not look down on yourself. A leader is a person that's supposed to tell you that there is a greatness in you that you soon discover. You are great. For example, why are we here? We come for Monday meetings. You leave your house very early and come. Why are we here? We are marketers. We are here to do